Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start our next lecture, and that is unit number 2. In this unit we will repeat 2-letter word and also 3-letter word. Okay, without wasting any time, let's start our lecture. But if you are new in my channel and you are continuously watching my videos and you are interested in my teaching style, then please subscribe, like and comments in my channel so that it will give me some encouragement and I will do this again and again. Okay, let's start with today's lecture. First is alimada jimakov aj. Second is alimada gafmakov ag. Third is alimada remakov ar. Fourth is alimada mimakov am. A shape in front of arm is mango and we call mango arm. And next alimada nun makof an, alimada be makof ab, alimada sin makof as, alimada dhal makof adh, yelevya re makof yar, swadalif saf e makof saf, bele bal makof bal, bele bagaf makof bag, bele ba mi makof bam, bele ba nun makof ban, bele ba re makof bar, bele ba dal makof bad, nun alif na la makof nal, nun alif na gaf makof nag, nun alif na mi makof nam, nun alif na nun makof nan, nun alif na kaf makof nak, nun alif na sin makof nas, kaf alif ka ji makof kaj, kaf alif ka mi makof kam, kaf alif ka nun makof kan, kaf alif ka re makof kar. Here is a car. Lam alif la ji makof laj, lam alif la la makof lal, lam alif la fe makof laf, lam alif la khe makof lak. And next word is jim alif ja la makof jal and net jal. Jim alif ja gaf makof jag, jim alif ja mi makof jam, jim alif ja nun makof jan, sin alif sa la makof sal, sin alif sa gaf makof sag, mim alif ma la makof mal, mim alif ma nun makof man, mim alif ma re makof mar, mim alif ma sin makof mas, alif fa la makof fal, kaf alif ka la makof kal, alif ha la makof hal, ye alif ya dal makof yad, ye alif ya sin makof yas, he alif ha re makof har. In front it is har. He alif bhag of makof bhag. These are heavy sound words. I will repeat these words in our next lecture, next few lectures. Jim alif jhag of makof jhag, mim alif mag hemakof mag, sin alif sa hemakof sak. That is all about today lectures. That is our unit number 2. We have finished our unit number 2. There are 40 or 50 units that will we complete, and after that if you watch continuously these videos you will learn about basic Urdu. You can speak, write and say these words. So it's up to you how much you pay your attention. If you pay more and more attention, then you will learn more and more. These 40 and 40 or 50 lectures will be crucial for you. I have experience from 10 to 5 years in this 40 to 50 lessons. I will experience with my students and they learn basic Urdu by completing these units. So it's up to you how much you pay attention. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you in next lecture.